The National Arbor Day Foundation created a special designation for cities who meet certain criteria in their urban forestry programs. It's called Tree City USA. The city of Oceanside was awarded its 10th consecutive award for being a Tree City USA. We're proud to be a city that makes planting and care of trees a priority. Trees provide so many benefits to a community when properly planted and maintained. The Oceanside Public Works Department maintains approximately 85,000 city-owned street and park trees. In order to maintain a healthy urban forest, tree removal may be necessary. Many times these are trees that have been affected by pests and disease, have caused substantial damage to infrastructure, and are in severe decline and may require removal. When trees are removed, the city of Oceanside will replace the street tree if the site is suitable for tree planting. If the site is not appropriate for tree replacement, the city will choose another location to plant a replacement tree, such as a city park. You too can get involved in the effort to maintain and increase Oceanside's urban canopy by participating in the City of Oceanside Street Tree Maintenance Program. This program allows residents to engage with the city for our mutual benefit by creating a more livable, beautiful, natural environment. Oceanside neighbors can request new street trees. Request a tree by contacting the Public Works Department at 760-435-4500. City staff will evaluate the space and determine an appropriate tree selection. It's a great deal. Oceanside neighborhoods can get newly planted neighborhood trees appropriate for the community's character for free, and all we ask is that you water the tree and notify the city of Oceanside of any potential problems. As a reminder, residents may not plant any trees in a parkway without contacting the city and obtaining written authorization. The benefits that trees provide are social, communal, environmental, and even economic. They greatly contribute to our quality of life here in Oceanside. The city of Oceanside is dedicated to sustaining a healthy and viable urban forest for generations to come. An engaged urban forestry program is critical to meeting Oceanside's commitment to climate change, stormwater runoff reduction, and water conservation as well.